was 5.
Hey guys, hopefully
Then
everyone
for
is doing
last
well. Today's
installment you have
output
changed two things.
number 9. The
First
chapter is
cash flow was
related
turned
with
8500 and raised
अच्छा
to
जी मेरी
power
बात ध्यान से
become
सुननी है।
6.
आज हमने इस
Why
काम
I
को
have written it?
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देनी
Because
है। The
in
reason
this
is
way
that
it has
we
not
need to
vanished and you can
have
follow
income
it
expenditure
on
account
your
and balance sheet as well.
calculator.
So
You can pause your
already
video over
informed,
here, read it down
you
carefully
were already informed
and
that
make your
paper
mind
point in
how to
papers
put
you will be having
these
questions
statements
like this
on
where
your
balance sheet
calculator.
will be made, opening statement
And in
would be
this way
made. So be
you
very
can
careful.
calculate
आज आपको ना
the
अच्छी सी
value.
attention देनी है,
Look, this is
यहीं पे ही
a
समझना है
huge
और
amount.
क्लास में बहुत कम
Instead
समझना
of
आता है, ठीक
calculating
है?
it one by one, it would
We are ready to
take
start
extra
our question
amount.
as
Please
usual.
note it down
We
what you will write
be
on your
going to
calculator.
adjustment as our first
How
step.
to put
So
brackets,
first step,
how to put raised to power, how to
number
close your
A.
bracket, how
There
to
are
add the sign,
500
and
members
finally
each paying
you have
annual
got your
subscription of
answer
100
by
rupees.
putting it.
अच्छा पहली बात आप
We
समझिए
have
कि अगर
posted
500 बंदे हैं और 100
the
रुपए
same
सब्सक्रिप्शन
amount
आ रही है तो
which you can
टोटल
see over here
50,000
with
सब्सक्रिप्शन
which you
आनी
have
चाहिए।
completed your
Subscription
calculation.
is written on income side.
9713
So
is your
first we will
answer.
mention
So
subscription
let's mark
over
it
here.
as it has been done. Please note it down.
एक
This
बार
was your D part.
subscription
When statements are
अच्छा जी
different. Over
उसके
here,
बाद आप चेक कीजिए कि
it may
टोटल
take a
सब्सक्रिप्शन
time, but
22
I
की
am
हम
really
कर रहे
willing
हैं।
to
Look
show
at here,
you
December
that
22
collective formula was
तो
also
11 इसको
to
मेंशन
use
कर
it.
देते हैं,
This was your collective
लेकिन
formula.
आप थोड़ा सा रफड़ है।
And it take
सब्सक्रिप्शन
less
वाज
than a
एक्सपेक्टेड
minute
टू कम
if my
50,000, वो कैसे? 500 members
system
और
will
each member is
operate.
paying 100,
Okay, we have
500
posted
ज़्यादा
this
100,
formula and you can
50,000
see
आनी चाहिए थी
1500,
और आई कितनी?
1500,
सिर्फ
1500
41,000।
and
इट
1500
मींस
all values
कुछ
are
ना कुछ
same.
गड़बड़ है, कुछ
So we
सब्सक्रिप्शन
can
जो है वो
use this
आउटस्टैंडिंग है।
formula
कितनी
when values are
आउटस्टैंडिंग है?
same.
तो
This
आप क्या
question
करें?
would be divided into
50,000
two
माइनस
parts. Keep it in mind.
41,000,
This is an
9,000 की
alternative way.
सब्सक्रिप्शन
You
ये
may use it
आउटस्टैंडिंग है
or you may
और
not
उसकी
use
रीजन
it.
क्या बनी?
But
क्योंकि ये
I
नहीं
am
मिली
willing
और
to
आप यहाँ पर
transfer this skill to
आउटस्टैंडिंग
your side as well, that you may have option to use it.
सब्सक्रिप्शन
Cash flows were
मेंशन कर दें।
1500.
पहली
Same
दफा हमने
for
खुद आउटस्टैंडिंग
5.
निकाल
Then
लिया
you need to divide it
और
with
उसकी
rate
रीजन क्या
of
देखे दोबारा से
return, that was
50,000 यहाँ पे मेंशन किया है।
Start
500
your
members
bracket 1
each
minus
paying
1
100, so
divided
total
by
amount of subscription was
1
expected
plus
50,000,
R.
but only
That would be
41,000 received. It means remaining is still
1.12
outstanding.
and raised to power
आउटस्टैंडिंग
how
इनकम होगी,
much?
इसका सेकंड इफेक्ट आप
Because
जानते हैं एसेट
you
साइड पे
have
होगा।
same values from
सो
1 to
क्लोजिंग
5.
बैलेंस शीट की एसेट
So you
साइड
will
पे
put
आप
raised to power 5.
आउटस्टैंडिंग
Let's make it
सब्सक्रिप्शन
raised to power.
मेंशन कर दें और कितनी थी?
Actually
9,000
system is
आउटस्टैंडिंग
little
का।
slow and
वापस
it is
एडजस्टमेंट में चलते
irritating
हैं।
me.
खत्म होगी पहली बी। म्यूनिसिपल
Okay,
टैक्सेस
make it
800
raised to
पेड
power
अप टू 31 मार्च
by
23। हम कब
script.
तक काम कर रहे हैं?
I'm
22
sure you are now
एंड
well aware how to
टैक्सेस आर
make
पेड अप टू
raised to power
23rd,
on Excel,
23वें साल तक की
and
पेमेंट।
we
3
have
माह एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट इज
made it
कॉल्ड प्रीपेड।
subscript.
सो हियर यू विल
Well, we
मेंशन
need to make it
म्युनिसिपल
script which is present over here.
टैक्सेस और चूंकि ये प्रीपेड है इट वुड बी
So
सब्सट्रैक्टेड।
this become
लेकिन अब देखते हैं
raised to
प्रीपेड
power.
बनता कितना है।
Okay, note it
लेकिन
down how
टोटल
to put these
अमाउंट ऑफ
on
म्युनिसिपल टैक्सेस ये
formulas
एक्सपेंस साइड पे 8
and
इसलिए हमने
why
एक्सपेंस साइड
size
चूज की
changes.
और
It's
म्युनिसिपल
mystery
टैक्सेस
for
आर
me.
800
Since I
और
don't have Microsoft
3
Excel,
महीने का
so
एडवांस पेमेंट है,
sometimes
सो
it
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3
irritates.
डिवाइडेड बाय 12।
Let's
अब ये
put
कैलकुलेट भी
it
कर
on
लेते
a
हैं।
calculator.
800 इज योर अमाउंट एंड यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट फॉर 3 मंथ्स, सो 200
just by
इज योर
altering
प्रीपेड।
the value at
और प्रीपेड को
start
आपने
is
सब्सट्रैक्ट कर
equal
दिया
to
और सेकंड इफेक्ट इज योर एसेट साइड।
put brackets
आप यहाँ पे आइए और लिख
and we need to put a
प्रीपेड
sign of multiplication.
म्युनिसिपल
1 minus 1,
टैक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ
again a
वेजेस
bracket is
200।
needed over here.
Okay, then
This
second
raised to
part
power
of this
we
adjustment,
will write in
1000
this way.
salaries are outstanding.
Close both
Salaries are
brackets
expenses, पहले मेंशन करते हैं salaries और outstanding को ऐड
and
करते
one
हैं।
more bracket is
So
needed.
outstanding is going
Okay,
to
this
be
is the way
added.
you will put your
और कितनी
values in
outstanding है?
collective formula
1000 is
because
described
from
over
1
here.
to
Outstanding
5
expense second effect
your
liability
values were same.
इधर
5417
liability side पे
and for
just mention
last you will use
outstanding salaries
these
और
values
outstanding salaries are 1000 and
and
mention over here.
we will post them over here.
Building stood mean past tense,
So please
पहले
understand
से
what we
building
are
पड़ी
going
हुई
to
है,
do.
so it's opening building is your asset
this
आप
value
opening
which
में
we
जाएं
have calculated
और पहले तो मेंशन कर दें कि we had a building
was
और
for
how much
first
amount of building 1 lakh
5
so just put
cash flows
1 lakh over here.
and for 6 cash flow as
After
it was
that
different,
required
we are
to
now
depreciate
going to get
5%.
its
So
answer.
depreciation is your expense. पहले आप इसे
8500
यहाँ सिर्फ
would be
कैलकुलेट
divided
करेंगे,
by
कहीं जमा माइनस नहीं करना.
1.12
Value of asset is 1 lakh
raised
and
to
you need to
power
calculate 5%
6.
depreciation. ये mention किया हुआ है.
Close your bracket.
So
We
value
have
of
got
asset
our
1
answer
lakh multiplied by
for
5 divided by
6.
100. So we have
And
got
finally,
5000
what you
depreciation
will
जो यहाँ
what you
calculate
will
कर
do,
ली.
you will
अच्छा,
add
second
both.
fact we will go to asset side.
No, it's not working. Okay.
यहाँ पर asset
For
में से
5 different cash flows, you were having answer 5407.16,
so building amount
and you
was
need to add
1 lakh
4306
depreciation
0.36
जो हमने
for
कैलकुलेट
value.
किया 5000
And here you will add
और
both.
लाख में से 5000 निकाले
First you
तो
have
95000 आपके पास depreciation
4306
दोबारा देखें. Here you have
and then you
calculated
will
depreciation
add
5%
5407.
और कहीं जमा माइनस नहीं किया और
So you
बिल्डिंग
have
में
got
से
the same
ये
answer.
5000
9713 and
बिल्डिंग चूंकि पहले की पड़ी हुई थी तो
9713.
ओपनिंग में भी लिखा.
With both formulas, we have
required to write ये
calculated
complete
the
हो गया.
same
See,
answer.
third
It's up to you. You can use
3%
individual formulas or you
interest
can use
accrued
collective formula
outstanding
as well.
investment पे जो interest मिलता है
So
वो
please
income होती है.
make your
इसलिए
mind
आप इधर आएंगे.
calculation of value of
Interest
asset.
on
If we have two options,
investment
both
ये
options
calculate करना पड़ेगा.
can be
देखें
used
जरा.
if
पहली बात तो
we
इन्वेस्टमेंट
have
पे
a
इंटरेस्ट है
comprehensive
तो
skill
इन्वेस्टमेंट इधर
to
चेक
use
करें.
these formulas.
अमाउंट इज 40000
In D part, we were having
और
1500.
40000
5 cash
का वो
flows
कह
were
रहा है कि
same.
3% कैलकुलेट
When cash flows were same,
3
you were
परसेंट.
able to use
एक
your
और बात
collective
बीच में
formula,
टांग अड़ा रहा है.
and this was your
4
collective
5
formula,
months किसको
and you have
अंडरलाइन कर
calculated the
4
value
5 months
over here.
so what you will do
And at the same time,
multiply by 5
your sixth
divided
cash
by
flow was different.
12
You
भी
have
आप
used
साथ में
individual formula. So it was a hybrid
यहाँ से
system
आपने चेक
with
करना है.
which
इसको मैंने
what you
highlight
have done
दिया है.
using
इसको मैं
collective formula
फिर लिख
and
के दे रहा हूँ
individual
ताकि आपको
formula
समझ आ
at the
जाए. तो
same
interest on
time,
investment 40000 was
and
amount of
you were
investment
able to
and then we were asked to take
calculate your
3%
values.
interest.
First
And
5
then
cash flows
for
were
5
same.
months.
You have used
So we have
collective
got
formula.
500.
Your sixth
Interest on
cash flow was
investment यहाँ पे
different.
add कर
You
दी.
have used
Second is
individual
your
formula,
asset.
and adding these answer
तो
you will
वो
get the
भी
same answer.
500
At the
you are
same
going to
time,
write
please note
over
it down.
here.
This is
Interest
an
on
open option. Whether amounts are similar or different, you can
investment.
use this formula. Individual formulas,
Double
collective,
effects are
sum it up,
completed.
and you will get
Interest
the
on
answer.
investment, it is
So in
outstanding
this way,
income
we have
added
used
and
hybrid
then
formulas
asset side.
and individual formulas,
नहीं
getting
जी
the
सारी
same answer
एडजस्टमेंट्स कंप्लीट हो गई. अब
9713
सिंपल काम
and
रह गया. We will
9713.
pick these items and
Which part
cross
it
our
was?
side to
We have
right
completed D
and
part.
we'll write
And now
everything
let's
present over
see
here. So
what
balance
next part is
opening
saying. E
opening
part
asset
there
है. आप opening statement
every
में जाएं.
installment
mention
is
करें.
different. So
It
please
is
note
your
it down.
balance.
Collective
How much
formula
amount? किस
cannot
balance
be
की बात
used.
कर रहा हूँ. सबसे
I'm
पहले
repeating.
20,500.
Collective formula cannot be used because there is no
So
similarity
first
in
balance is
any
okay.
of the
Now
cash flow.
subscription. ये बहुत
So
interesting चीज है.
collective
We are
formula
talking
would
about
not be
22.
used. It is E
ये
part.
21 की सब्सक्रिप्शन यानी पिछली सब्सक्रिप्शन
And
अब
we
रिसीव
need
हो रही है.
to
तो ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग थी
write down the
और
values
800 यहाँ पर आप मेंशन करेंगे.
in
ओपनिंग
E part.
आउटस्टैंडिंग.
But before that, we
Subscription.
need to note it down how many
अच्छा अब आप
installments
कहेंगे
we
आउटस्टैंडिंग का तो
have.
दो इफेक्ट होने
So
चाहिए.
let's go
एसेट
back.
में भी लिखना चाहिए. याद रखें ये एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है.
Unfortunately,
ये
system is
सिर्फ
not
कैश अकाउंट.
responded
एक एक इफेक्ट होगा वो भी
well,
सिर्फ
and
ओपनिंग
there
या
would
बैलेंस
be
शीट में.
a little
21 का
time
800
that would be
you
used.
have posted in
Let's
opening
make
statement
our
assets.
mind 2357.
उसके बाद 22 की 41 हमने ऑलरेडी
57,
मेंशन कर दिया.
41.
Then 23
We will
means
try
you
to
have
put it.
received subscription for the coming year. It is pre-received.
These
Pre-received is your liability. ये adjustment नहीं है तो
23,
single effect होगा. सिर्फ
57.
liability side पर
Again, I have
आप
forgot.
मेंशन करेंगे. इधर
Let's
हम
see them again because it is important. We will note it down. All
received
the statement 23, 57,
subscription.
41.
पूरा मेंशन करना अच्छी बात है.
So you will
And
write
how much amount we have received from previous
41
for next year?
So first installment,
1200
first cash flow
so
was
it is
2000.
pre-received subscription.
Then we
देन
have
डोनेशन, अब कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ तो
3000.
आपने सोचा नहीं है, जो कुछ भी लिखा बस कैपिटल ना हो
It's
और बैलेंस शीट के आइटम्स ना हो,
3000.
आप यहाँ पर इसको मेंशन करते जाएं। डोनेशन है
Then we
10,800,
have 5000.
so just write down
After which we have 7000.
10,000,
Then we have
so
4000.
10,800.
Then we
This
have
was your
1000.
donation.
So number of installments we have noted it down.
Next, we have
And
proceed
have
from drama tickets.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Proceed
5, and 6 cash
from
flows.
drama
Rate of interest
tickets,
is
बस
also
उठाते
required
जाएं
to be noted down.
और लिखते जाएं।
That
Amount
is
of drama tickets
14%.
19,000. Less, even if you have less idea about it,
Is equal
you
to
will pick all amounts of receipts to
percent.
income side. Just take care, they should not be
Or
balance item of
0.14.
balance sheet. They should not be capitalized.
14%, 14
Sale
divided
of
by
waste
100
paper
is
हमने बेची है।
0.14. Now let me
Sale of
ask a very simple question at this stage.
waste
What formula you will
paper,
use?
amount of which
Collective
is
formula,
900.
individual formulas, or
Okay,
hybrid?
all receipt sides completed.
I am
Now
very
we will
hopeful
see
that
our
someone
expense
of you
side.
will
First
give
is
the correct
salaries.
answer.
एक line छोड़ रहा
Hybrid
हूँ
formulas
ताकि आपको पता चल
cannot be
जाए
used.
ये
Collective
adjustment से
formulas
अलग है। How much
cannot be
amount of
used.
salaries?
Why?
12,000.
Because no
So
similarities
just
in
put
cash flow. So in this way we can use,
12,000
we do have
over
only
here.
one
अब हम ये भी
option.
कर सकते हैं
These individual
12,000 की
formulas
salaries
will be
और
used.
उसमें
Why this
outstanding
collective
1,000
formula will
plus
not be
करके लिखना
used?
था।
Because there is no similarity.
Then we have general
So it
expenses.
means hybrid
Yes,
would
general
also
expenses.
we will not be able to use because
इधर
not
कोई
a
part है।
single value of cash flow is similar. So please note it
General
down. Hybrid
expenses
formulas
की
would
amount
not
check
be
कर लेते हैं,
used.
1,500.
Collective formula would
Put
not be
in
used.
front of
Only
it.
individual formulas
Then drama
we can
expenses,
use. And instead of writing them
also
again and again, let's pick
revenue
them.
natured, बार बार हो रहा होगा. Drama
If
expenses
they
are
can be
9,000.
picked.
Put amount over here. Then we have newspaper.
Okay. It's not
Newspaper
picking.
भी
Second.
revenue expense है
And then we
3,000.
have third.
So put amount over here. Then we have
Fourth.
municipal taxes 800. वो हमने पहले ही लिखा हुआ है यहाँ
And sixth
क्योंकि इसकी
formula.
adjustment थी.
Okay.
800
Same
यहाँ लिख देते हैं
formulas
और
would be
साथ
over
में
here.
800 और चूंकि ये
So
प्रीपेड था
there is
लेस
little
करना था
ease.
200.
Thankfully, all formulas are
उसको
copied.
भी लगे
And
हाथ.
what we will do,
We are just going to write
these
it.
individual
Then
cash
we have
flows
charity.
are already present. Let's start
So
posting our amount.
charity
So this
is your
cash flow,
expense. How much charity you have given?
okay,
7,000.
why not to use
After charity we have
these
investment
statements
which
as
is your
well? We will
asset. मेरा
just
ख्याल है
alter
mention
them
कर दिया हुआ है, ना नहीं
afterward
किया.
to
We are
save
going
our
to
time.
write over here investment.
Okay,
How much investment?
let's see
That is 40,000.
if time can
तो
be
यहाँ
saved.
put कर दें
Put these
40,000.
formulas over here, and we are now going to change
Okay.
values
Then we
according
have
to these.
electricity charges. It's
Look,
your
first
expense.
cash flow was
Expense side पे
2,000, and we are going to
और mention करें
alter it 2,000. As you can see,
electricity
rate
charges
was
amount check
14%.
कर लें
So
2,900 है.
just change 40.
Okay.
First
After
installment,
which
first cash
we
flow is
have
completed.
balance 18,000.
Second cash
Balance
flow
closing
3,000.
balance is your
Put
asset.
3,000, and you need to
18,000.
change the rate, which is 14. Second is completed. Now for third,
Okay. So it
amount
means
would be
this was your
5,000.
last
Look how
balance
easy
which
it
we
had
have
become.
posted.
We
अब
are
हम अपनी
just
calculation
changing
की तरफ open है. सारी amounts को
40%,
check
but
कर लेते
obviously
हैं.
when you will be
ये
writing on
adjustment भी
your
complete है,
copy or
interest भी
paper,
complete है.
you won't be able to do
यहाँ
this.
भी
So
complete
your
है
time
depreciation. So
is
अब check करें जरा
required
यहाँ.
to be managed
Income
accordingly.
side is 81.
1.14.
Expense side is
We are
42.
just
So it
changing
means again
the
income
cash
is
flow
more
value.
than
In this
your
stage we do have
expense. It will
4,000,
be considered as your surplus. लेकिन actually हम balance ही
and
calculate कर रहे हैं.
downward
और
we will
कैसे
change
calculate
the
कर रहे हैं?
rate, which is
Larger
now
amount minus
14%.
smaller amount.
Last cash
42,000.
value is 1,000.
So 39200. Look
And
at
now
here
it is
your
taking
surplus.
time. We
39,200.
do have
We have calculated
last
39,200.
value
अच्छा जी, ओपनिंग
as
स्टेटमेंट के अंदर
1,000.
सिर्फ एसेट थे.
Rate is
बस इसका मतलब है कि सारे एसेट्स में
14%.
जीरो माइनस किया तो आपका
Alright
कैपिटल
guys,
आ गया. उस
Look,
कैपिटल
these
को हम
values we have taken from the question.
नीचे
First cash
ट्रांसफर
flow
करते हैं।
2000,
ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट का
second
आंसर
cash
क्या
flow
होता है? कैपिटल।
3000, 5000,
तो
7 and 4,
121
1000.
300,
Rate was
then
given
we have calculated
14%. 14 divided
surplus
by 100.14. In
और
place of
amount
this
of
R
surplus
rate,
हमने अभी
we have
कैलकुलेट
changed
किया
the rate as well.
39,200
And it was first cash flow raised to power 1, second cash flow
39,200।
raised to power 2,
अभी
3,
स्टेटमेंट को भी
4,
हम
5,
कंप्लीट कर
6.
सकते हैं।
Statement has been completed. Now we will
121
see how to put it on our calculator.
300
Simply
and
you will
then
start your bracket. Again we have
39,200।
everything present over here,
So
but it
guys,
would be a
कैपिटल
mess. So why not we should
साइड
write it by
भी
itself.
कंप्लीट हो गई
2000
और बैलेंस शीट का आंसर
divided
चेक
by,
करें। 160
start your
700,
bracket.
160 700 बोथ आर
1 plus
इक्वलाइज। अब
0.14,
हम
it would be
जो आंसर गिवन है उसको
1.14,
देखते हैं और बैलेंस
and
शीट आंसर इज
raised to
160
power
700। So
is
guys, in
needed to
this way
post as 1.
all answers
We
are
will
matched,
change
correctly
it
recorded,
accordingly.
and you are humbly requested to please
Just need
solve
to
it by
change
self। अब
the
सुन लिया तो
value,
अगर आपने सुना है अच्छे तरीके से तो आप यहाँ बंद करके खुद सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें,
and
तभी
here
आपको आएगा। अगर आप खुद सॉल्व
raised
नहीं
to
करेंगे
power
ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आना आपको।
is
So request
needed
to
to make
solve by yourself. If you still
as
feel anything difficult
superscript.
after
Let's
practicing,
get back
inform and I will tackle that difficulty. Thank you very much
and
for your time. It's time to
use
say
this
goodbye.
tool.
Allah Hafiz.